And this would end us first. Not war, not asteroids. If oxygen dropped just 5%, you wouldn't suffocate. You'd panic. Governments would fail, hospitals overload, and we wouldn't know why. AI already runs power grids, water systems, satellites, one corrupted instruction. Everything shuts off. The ocean makes most of our oxygen. Microbes do. If they die, oxygen drops. Crops fail. Food chains collapse. The planet survives. We don't. No explosion, no warning, just systems failing. Which one ends us? This would end us first.